Hey guys, so welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on that TV. And as I always say, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime you drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah, so today's bars, we have Nigerian comedian Mr. Macaroni and other Occupy Lekki toll gate protesters demonized by the Nigerian police after they are arrested. So a viral video shared online has shown how the Nigerian police dehumanized popular Instagram comedian Mr. Macaroni and other Occupy Lekki toll gate protesters after arresting them. The comedian and other protesters, who were all sweaty, were packed up in a bus with their shirts off. The video has triggered an outcry from various corners in Nigeria. Okay guys, watch the video and also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below.
The Mondo, go and you in person. We are faith for that. We are faith for that. We are faith for them. Are you a musician? Hey, you will tattoo. This man, go join that one for Mr. Macaroni. Go join them there. What put you into this mess now? Which mess? They know what they are doing now. Go on, go by. Come on, sit down here. Sit down here.